Don't let me down, because I will cry for you. Please, I'm requesting, don't let me down. How will you let him down? This kind of guy, talented guy. Ooh.
I'm in love for the first time.
Yes, hello beautiful people, Northeast, Mizoram people, welcome back all. This is your African boy Gabs Gabi, and today we have another suggested music video from Mizo by the title, or from one and only amazing and the best singer of all time from Mizoram by the name LALROSANGA, guys. So recently he has one amazing music video by the title Fuhchiang Lo Maw. Fuhchiang Lo Maw. This is the trending latest music video from this guy LALROSANGA. You can go and check my reaction video. Oh my god, that music video was just amazing, guys. It was just amazing. I don't need to tell you here. If you watch that music video, you will definitely know. You will definitely love it. Go check my reaction video out there. And yeah, let's check this one. This is not the one we are checking today. Is Don't Let Me Down. Don't Let Me Down. It was kind of a competition, or what you can say, guys. You can tell me, like, because it is LPS live. I can see some judges around here also. So don't let me down. In case it is your first time here, this is your African boy Gabs Gabi. I'm from South Sudan. Currently I'm in India, and recently I've been to Shillong. Because of the love and support they gave to my channel, I decided to travel to their place, guys, and to explore Shillong. And I also been to Assam. Like, I witnessed a lot of amazing festival, cultural, traditional, and I try a lot of food, guys. So I can't wait also next year to be visiting Nagaland and Mizoram straight up, guys. So don't forget, subscribe here, because we are only left with 10k. Just say 10k to reach 1 lakh, or to receive my silver button. So kindly I'm requesting, guys, support my channel, subscribe. It won't cost you anything. Subscribe so that I will get my silver button, and I will definitely be happy for that. Love you all. Let's go. Don't let my guy down, okay?
Don't let me down. Don't let me down.
Don't let him down, I'm telling you. See the energy, just see the energy from the vocal, from the sound.
Don't let me down.
See, the guy even looks so simple.
Nobody ever loved me like she did.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, she did.
Okay.
Yes, she did.
Yes, you do.
And if somebody loved me like she did, oh, she did.
Oh my gosh. See the sound, how the fans are shouting. Don't let me down, because I will cry for you. Please, I'm requesting, don't let me down. How will you let him down? This kind of guy, talented guy. Ooh.
I'm in love for the first time.
Really? For the first time, bro? Are you kidding me?
It's gonna last.
Okay. Tell us.
It's a love that lasts forever.
Okay?
It's a love that has no past. Don't let me down.
Ooh. I love his sound. I love his voice.
Don't let me down.
Don't let him down, I'm saying you.
And from the first time that she really died,
Okay?
oh, she died.
Okay?
She died good. I guess nobody ever really died.
Hey! down.
Don't let me down.
How can I explain this to you?
Don't let me down.
Hey, it's a
Don't
muse.
let me
Down. I said, don't let me down. Woo! You love it, right? You love it. I also love it. I also love it. I also love it, guys. You know what? Oh my gosh, I don't know how to say, but this guy, I love how he sounds. Like, he sounds so confident, and his sound is so unique, guys. Like, so sharp and so unique. And you can see, oh my god, this guy has a lot of fans, huh? He has a lot of fans because he inspires people with his amazing music. And I also love his music. And recently I watched his latest music, which is 2 days back, and it's already hitting 1 million, guys. Just imagine, oh my god, this guy is so talented. He's really so talented. And you can see, he, like most of his song, he sing in mizo language, right? Mizoram, they speak mizo. They call them mizo. People from Mizoram, they call them mizo, and their language is mizo also, right? Am I right or wrong, guys? Because yeah, I've never been to Mizoram, but I'm really planning this next year, guys. I'm really planning this to visit Nagaland and Mizoram, because you know they used to say there is one amazing and famous festival in Nagaland that everyone really wish, anyone from Northeast, they wish to attend that festival by the name Hornbill Festival. So we'll meet next year, definitely. Can't wait also to meet such talented, amazing artists like LALROSANGA. Oh my brother, you are so talented. And see how he look, guys. So simple. And this is what define the meaning of success. Successful people. Just you have to be simple. Let your talent inspire the world, guys. It's not about how you look or how you dress. I just love the simplicity of this guy. Yeah, I never met him, but I can assure that this guy, he looks so simple and he's so talented. He's so talented. Love from Africa, guys. Till next time, do suggest other music reaction that I can check, and kindly subscribe, guys. Let's hit the 100K together. Thank you so much. Till next time. Love you all.